Are you limiting your real estate investments to just your home state? If so, it might be time to break free from your comfort zone and explore the benefits of out-of-state real estate investing like I do. Here are 5 reasons why I like it. Number 1, you diversify your portfolio. Investing in real estate in multiple states can actually help you to diversify your portfolio. This can be especially useful if the real estate market in your home state is expensive or volatile. And by investing in another state, you can reduce your exposure to the local market risk and potentially earn higher returns. Number 2, access to more affordable properties. Out-of-state real estate investing can also give you access to more affordable properties. So maybe you're struggling to find properties that fit your budget in your home state. Looking to another state could be a smart move. You can also look for emerging markets with lower entry points that offer great potential for appreciation. Number 3, leverage technology and remote management. So thanks to this technology we all have, most of us in our pockets, managing properties from far away is even easier than ever. You can communicate with tenants, your contractors, your property managers with video calls, messaging apps, online portals. You can also find tenants, screen tenants, collect rent, manage your finances remotely. With the right team in place, investing in out-of-state real estate can be as easy as investing in your own backyard. Number 4, partner with local experts. One of the keys to success in out-of-state real estate investing is finding the right local partners. You can work with local real estate agents, property managers, contractors, attorneys to all help you navigate the local market, the regulations, and the laws. They can also help you find the best deals and avoid common pitfalls. And finally, number 5, long-term benefits. Investing in out-of-state real estate can provide long-term benefits. Owning properties in multiple states can potentially help you build wealth and generate passive income, and also give you more flexibility and options in terms of retirement planning and lifestyle choices. Let me know in the comments below. Are you already investing out of state or are you looking? Hit me up and let me know.